I was 28 years old when I realized that I made a mistake. It's like my heart shattered like a giant earthquake. 20 grand and I'm making racks. Money in separate fucking stacks. 4 over there, 4 over here. Drowning my ways around with a fucking beer. Wasted day and nights. Now I feel like I've been attacked. All my money not even making racks. Business falling, stocks crashing. Now I don't know what to do, cause I keep breaking down when I'm walking with you. I thought one more person would be okay, but now you're some reason get in your way. I thought it would be so different today, cause I was wrong, hiding my misery inside my songs. I was one step away from meeting you. Don't mess with someone before walking a mile in their shoes, cause you know what you got to do. Break down in tears by the end of the night, cause I know that I'm not with you. Hot liquor sitting on the table, ready to break. Once again my heart is shattered like a giant earthquake. I want not to, but I have more drugs to take. I know the stakes are high, but I don't wanna die. Day and night I know the fights we used to get into, but I also know that you aren't the same person no more. July 5th you packed your day, packed one day and walked right out the door. Once again you're not like you anymore. You're